All right, we're going to take a look at this Smith Corona SL575 typewriter. This is going up for sale on eBay, and just wanted to kind of demonstrate it. It's very clean. There are really no cosmetic issues, as you can see. So we come around here, and on the bottom side, we turn it over, you can see there is a carry handle, and the bottom is very clean too. It looks good. There is on the back, there's a place for cord storage right here where you can wrap the cord around when you're not using it. And then we did, of course, see this cover as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll take a look inside real quick. This just lifts up like that. It's very simple. There's not really that much to it. It's kind of good. There's not that much to go wrong. And let's go ahead and load this thing up with some paper, and we can see it working. See if I can do this with one hand. I think I can. Yeah, we're in there. You need to lift, this thing will lift up, feed your paper in, and then you just close it down and you're good to go. And then you have your, if you need to adjust it, you can do this forward, and that'll make the paper loose where you can move it around if you want to. But we're going to tighten it back down and turn her on. Carrots are going to return home. There is a demo mode I'm going to show y'all first. You just hit code and demo, and you can see how clearly it types. Go ahead and cancel out of that. So you can see it types very clearly. And the ribbon that is in it now definitely has some ink left. I don't know how much, of course. But yeah, it looks great. It also has correct features. Whenever you type a word that it doesn't have in its spell right dictionary, it makes a beep. You heard that beep? That means it doesn't, and this starts flashing here on the caps lock. That means that it is telling you that might be misspelled. And then at that point, what you can do word eraser here. You can do line eraser, or you can just hit correct and it'll correct the last character. So I haven't tried word eraser yet. Let's try it. I'm gonna hit word erase and let's see what happens. And you can see it pretty much whited them out. I don't know if there's another ribbon in there that needs to be changed out or not, but that's what it does. And if we go to another line, we'll just type in, I typed the word receive, but I typed it incorrectly. And then if I just hit correct, then it goes back. And then I can go through and type. And like I said, the correction ribbon may need to be replaced because it doesn't look like it's totally correcting this. There's also line eraser. I'll just type a bunch of random stuff here. And you see we have that all on one line. I'm gonna go ahead and hit code and then line eraser. You can see it knew to space over. It knows all the characters on that line. So it makes it real easy. So yeah, that's the end of this demo for this Smith Corona SL575. Super clean, super simple, and it works great. Thanks a bunch for watching. Bye, y'all.